Hello and welcome, creators. Are you excited for to get started with Loki Studio? Because this is your guide. We're going to get started, and it's going to be quick and brutal. So if you're not, don't worry, things will make sense because there will be extensive video tutorials and guides in the future. So covering everything, right? We're just going to get you from install to upload. Like that's it. So, anyways, thank you for purchasing Loki Studio, and you probably click this link. If you didn't purchase it and you're on the free version, don't worry about it. Thank you for supporting us, anyways. All right, so clicking OK, boom. This is my directory. This is basically the main container directory. I will explain everything of how this works in the near future. Then the data directory for all your stuff. You may want to look over this and change it in the near future as well. LLM providers. Grimnar is their built-in one that I developed. I am the sole developer of this entire project, so yes, it is behind a paywall for a certain reason. Anyways, Olama is just works. That's why it's one of the recommendations. It's definitely my favorite. You click on models, you can select whatever you want. That's an advanced topic, so we're not going to worry about that now. Let's get that out of the way. Refresh. Boom. Okay, so see, I already have 8 models downloaded for Olama. And I'm gonna pick Quen 3 because it's my favorite. I don't know, it's wherever it is. Where is Quen 3? Here it is. Actually, you know what? That's actually a little whatever. You basically with Olama, there's some convenience features. Boom, done. You click on that and it downloads for you. Real nice. Transcription. We don't have any transcription models downloaded yet, so let's just download Medium because it's quicker. It's not going to be super accurate. The what is it called? The V3 Turbo is the most efficient, right? And since while we're waiting for download, let's just real quickly device auto, just keep that there. Float 16. Yeah, I mean, 90% of the computers that are going to be using this can work on it. Beam size, just more accuracy. Hey, look, it's done. All right, let's move on. I will explain everything more in depth as we go. Sliding window for captions. That's one my that's the default 6 words basically in there. I kind of like 1 word pop. You can set the colors however you want. This is I just went through a little like a warm and friendly color, and this is what came up. So, anyways, caption position, blah blah. We want to turn closed captioning on by default just for now. It doesn't matter for you. Here's all of my profiles that, yes, I have a lot of profiles for me. You're going to see a completely different screen. It's just basically going to be starter profile for whatever. Rename them, delete them. I don't care. It's all in your, this is all how you want it now. This is where you're going to shine. And so like, essentially, really quickly, a profile is your YouTube playlist and all of its settings and your schedule. Siri, the profile name. This doesn't really have any impact. The AI profile, we'll cover this in depth in the metadata tutorial. Jenner is basically just open world space. Target audience, it just helps the metadata creator understand your content better and make better descriptions, which is the money tab. That is the money tab that will grow your channel. All right. That and basically, so the root directory we have here, boom, boom, boom. You already saw that, and it adds X4 into that, so you don't have to type in the full directory if you don't want to. All you have to do is just type in like political commentary or whatever your profile name is. We're gonna cover all. There's a whole video section on profiles. So basically, just keep all. Here's all the defaults. The defaults should work for 90% of your stuff, anyways. Well, I mean, you got to customize it, like the description header and the description footer. That's just, buy my stuff, welcome to my video series, and then buy my stuff. Here's links to my sponsors. Here's links to my other everything. It preserves everything, your schedule, your playlist name, all that stuff, all that wonderful stuff. The profile system is amazing, and we'll cover that in depth. So moving on. So we go here, and yeah, you see nothing shows up because, well, I don't have anything in that directory. Here we go. Yeah, I know. This is why I literally wrote Loki Studio. It was for me, myself, because I have a lot of pending videos that I have to upload. Why are they not uploaded yet? Because I have Loki Studio? Well, because I was working on it. So now I'm done. Go in here, the edit tab, if you want to make an edit, video edit. The profile tab is beautiful. The profile system is beautiful because essentially you click on a button and it immediately opens up all the directories immediately open up into your directory that you're working in. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite features. Sorry, my cat did something weird. So basically, here you go. You see that, boom, boom, boom. There's the waveforms, the timeline editor. You can edit your videos. Boom. We're not going to go into this in depth, but I can make a edit mark. I can do end here, and I can go in through all that stuff. There's different tracks. If I don't like it, track 3 is empty, as you can see, so I can turn that off. It's taken a little bit of time because I had to generate all those thumbnails. Boom, like that. If I this is my vocal track, this is my game audio track. I only want closed captions for me. I don't care about the game audio. In fact, I can turn it off or I can mute everything, which is great. And closed captioning is off because I do not have a transcription. Going in here, see the transcription tabs are very important. Transcriptions are basically the foundation of the entire application, right? You transcribe, then you use the metadata creates the transcription. The metadata also then creates the thumbnail, um, like the text and everything. And then we finally go to the upload tab. Yes, the OAuth credentials thing is a pain in the neck. I don't have the money right now for the $15,000, $20,000 to go through all the third party approval process to get the Google OAuth certificate yet. That will come, but so I do apologize for that. I mean, that is the one thing that I really feel bad about because I wanted this application to be perfect and to white glove everything. But unfortunately, YouTube is very strict on their security. Bonus of this, you're in control of your OAuth key. It's like it's fully 100% yours. Nobody else, you don't have to worry about me or the Lokii going rogue someday. You don't have to worry about any of that because it's your key, your channel control, full 100%. Moving on. I just wanted to really cover that really quickly. So transcribe, literally all you have to do is from you get your videos, you edit your videos, you go to transcribe, you click start transcription. It's literally one button push. Go to metadata. As you see, all the ones that are ready because they have a transcription, you click generate selected. I'm not going to do that because this is a getting started tour. We'll cover this great in depth. You can see I already have a Space Marine, yes, Warhammer 40K Space Marine style description. The metadata created was generated by the AI agents. If you don't like AI, don't worry because this is still using your voice. This is not using a prompt to say generate a description. This description accurately explains the content of what you're doing, like as a cliff notes of a book. Like it's still your voice, it's still your content, it's still you. Um, it's just AI augmented to make it better, or not make it better, but make a really good description for get viewers. That's the goal of Loki Studio is it grows to grow your channel. You want viewers, I want viewers, I want people to get to my channel. The metadata tab does that. I'm rambling a little bit too much, but I strongly believe this is the moneymaker tab. So and this is the whole everything, and you'll understand in future videos, the whole core of Loki Studio is this one tab. Thumbnails, basically, boom. The first hour guide. We have like this guy right here is called the flare. You can see the flare is on. I can browse to it, and yes, all my flares. You basically create a flare folder in your video directory. Boom. All your flare is related to that video series is there. Okay. It's super like Loki Studio is literally like hands off. Just click a button and move on. click a button and move on, right? I can regenerate this thumbnail all I want, right? Oh yeah, there we go. See, boom, and I can move the logo. But we're gonna cover this in the future. Don't worry. Upload. Okay, so this is where I said I apologize for this. Yes, it is a pain in the ass feature. Not a feature, but is a pain in the. Whoops. I'm sorry. I'm trying to copy my key over while talking, and it's just not work. I'm terrible at this. Um, and then basically you go like this. You save your credentials after you create that stuff. It's once you create it, it's done. You don't have to worry about it again. We're gonna upload this video, and then basically I have no channels right now because we have to add a channel, of course. Okay. So basically, you click the add button. Whoops, and go over here. And I mean, I don't have to hide the. It's just a thing, like a privacy thing. I respect your privacy. Um, and basically, so Google hasn't verified this app. Yes, that's going to happen. Once I finalize all the stuff, boom, like that. I already set it up, so it's gonna already configure. It's already configured for my channel, but there will be a scary like can go forward, go back kind of button set up. I'm just re-adding the channel because to this, I will, and basically here it is. So my channel, DevRedo, which is where you're watching this video from, is here, boom, like that. Once in a while, sometimes you may have to re-authenticate or whatever, just push the validate button. Like if the playlist is not pulling up or anything, and yes, it pulls up your playlists. All right. Validate, boom, done. Add channel, all that stuff. Private schedule, boom, done. And guess what? We're done. Loki Studio is literally that easy. I spent more time talking than you would. You could just basically go through the whole process, one click, boom, 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 all the way through, and you'd be done in like 10 minutes to upload your first video. So anyways, I will see you in the next video series. If hopefully you guys all stuck around. Thank you very much for your support and everything. And don't worry, and don't forget the last thing, Discord. There is a Discord community just for supporting each other, for everybody, and helping me improve the product. All right. I'm one person. I'm not a corporation. I have to divide my time between developing and updating Loki Studio, fixing bugs and everything like that. And that's why we have the Discord channel for that. I can't do email support. I can't. I will delete emails. Right. So I apologize for that. That's my second apology. And because it doesn't seem very businessy like, but I can't do everything. All right. There's not enough time in the day to do everything. So, anyways, join the Discord, help each other out, help me report bugs, ask for features, give some ideas. Hey, I would love to see this feature added, right? Give some ideas, and we can work together and make this product even better. All right. So that's it. That's just my little disclaimer, preamble, whatever. Have a great day. Bye.